So this episode uses the V8 vote concept on what it was originally intended for, the ability for you to tell us what cars you would like to see next. Picking the cars you would like to see in the next episode for next week is as easy as going to v8vote.com and casting your vote. Then we tally up the results and publish episode 3 with the cars that the voting audience picks. To help narrow down the results, we've made the models available for next week to be picked from the rolling chassis cars and trucks we've already designed and built today at ReadyChassis. So please do get out there and vote, and you'll see your picks show up in next week's episode.
If you like this kind of YouTube show, please do like and subscribe and opt for notifications so that you can get updates as we release a show every week. If you want to vote on what we cover next, or you have a car that you'd like to suggest that you might be selling, go to v8vote.com and nominate a new model or submit your muscle car classic for the next upcoming issue of Steals and Deals. Thanks for watching.